अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज़ क्रिप्टो पीएनएल। आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज टुडे वी हैड अ मंथली क्लोज ऑन द बीटीसी चार्ट. Relatively it's not a good monthly close because we went above and we closed below these critical levels. That was the monthly level at 58,000. This is important. So generally speaking, जब हम एक high को deviate करें and then we close below it, it's sort of a trap and on the monthly scale, and usually it can usually what happen is that price low को sweep करती है in just like this impulse will be swept, and it is possible that we may see another sweep of this low. This is first opinion, in my opinion, this area, because this is a pretty strong area. This is the pretty strong of area, this candle. So I'll be very surprised if prices से नीचे breakout करे in coming days, in months and weeks. Very surprised, first thing. And second thing, the most interesting chart for me is the 4D chart. I think on the 4D chart, this candle, that जिसकी वजह से if you remember, this candle is candle की वजह से this move has occurred, because that was the last buy candle. So if I mark this candle on the 4D chart, what is happening here? अगर आप गौर करें तो इस कैंडल ने इस मार्केट को होल्ड किया हुआ है और हम इसके बीच में कंसोलिडेट हो रहे हैं. आपको एक चीज़ और भी समझा दूं, जब कोई इम्पल्स ऊपर जाती है और उसके बाद जब उसकी करेक्शन होती है इम्पल्सिवली, और जब वो उसके बाद अपना मोमेंटम शिफ्ट करती है, दिस इज़ द टाइम वेयर यू मस्ट कीप एन आई ऑन द मार्केट. मार्केट अभी एक इम्पल्स के बाद अपना मोमेंटम शिफ्ट कर रही है. मे बी इट्स एन एक्यूमुलेशन और कंसोलिडेशन, बिकॉज जो मार्केट का टारगेट था इस मूव का, इट्स बीन डन. इस लो को स्वेप्ट कर लिया गया, बिकॉज यहाँ से मूव अप हुआ था और ये इसको स्वेप्ट कर लिया गया है. तो मैं बड़ा बड़ा है बड़ा काइंड ऑफ आई सी दिस इज द मोमेंटम इज शिफ्टिंग. और इस मूव में आई थिंक दिस कैंडल हैज़ अ रोल टू प्ले इन दिस कैंडल. So I will be very surprised to see if the price close above this candle low, and हम इस candle low को, I mean like 63, and then we hold this level low. This is where the things will get very interesting. जैसे कि ये मोमेंटम था, if you see like जब प्राइस ने इम्पल्स बनाया उसके बाद क्या हुआ, मोमेंटम शिफ्ट हो रहा था. This momentum shift is the key, and then what happened, all we wanted to see a break of structure, like a break of move. And this area, this candle, likewise this candle was the candle that we wanted to see to take out. और उसके बाद price went up, hold it, and then it started moving up. So in my personal opinion, this candle has a role to play, so keep an eye on this level, and this level is around, in my opinion, is 61,600. So if we close above and then we hold it, I think lots of things can be changed here. So keep an eye on it. And there is a probability that we may sweep this low again, because on the monthly it says there is a probability that we sweep this. So if what happens is that the price goes above it and this happens, then you expect this one. Then there is your level. So all eyes on these two 4D candles. So 4D candle close on the every hand. I'm very pretty much expecting that there is a move coming up, because lots of buying is going on, in my opinion. These wicks are creating lots of liquidity. मैं भी कहता हूँ 56 से नीचे buy करना चाहिए for financial freedom. मेरा opinion ये है, because I think this consolidation will surprise you. जैसे कि यहाँ हुई थी, यहाँ भी लोग bearish हो गए थे, लेकिन consolidation surprised us. So यहाँ से जो move हुआ था, it can change the life. Even 100% का move था, तो BTC अगर 100% move करेगा तो what do you expect? This is तो सबसे important chart जो आज का है वो ETH BTC का है. This is the chart that everybody is looking at and everybody is expecting. ये है वो chart जिससे it could change everything. Look at this chart. How beautiful is this chart? And if we look around the weekly, this is looking very nice. So I think the most important level that we have to take out is this. हाई, द मोमेंट हम इस हाई को लेंगे एट 85 0.85 सैट्स सतोशे, आई थिंक थिंग्स विल चेंज। और मैं चाहूँगा कि प्राइस जो है, आई स्टिल बिलीव देयर इज़ अ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऐसा मूव होने लगा है जैसे यहाँ मूव हुआ था। तो there is a this is a this is a massive supply sitting above here, so ETH has to come up with this level now. I think in this area prices wants to go in this area. I think अगर ये breakout होता है, what I expect from this breakout, I expect this breakout to get into that supply and then come back, and this is where I think the real bull rally start. अगर आपने यहाँ buy किया हुआ है, very good, but I think price will give you another opportunity. And लाइक इस सिनेरियो में जब ये ब्रेकआउट हुआ था, इन माय ओपिनियन जब ये ब्रेकआउट हुआ था, दिस हाई का रीविजिट ऑफ दिस हाई इज वेयर द थिंग्स विल टर्न इन। सो अगर आपने कंफर्मेशन ब्रेकआउट लेकर, इवन दो इन दिस वन, इफ यू लुक एट इट, वी ब्रेक द हाई, दिस हाई इसका रीटेस्ट हुआ नहीं वैसे, लेकिन दिस वाज द रीटेस्ट काइंड ऑफ थिंग व्हेन वी गो अबव इट। So even though on the low time frame that retest is the retest, this candle, ये जो कैंडल बनी होगी, that was the retest in my opinion. But in all प्राइस लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, और ये ऑर्ड्स के लिए बहुत पावरफुल चार्ट है, बिकॉज बिकॉज ये जो एरिया है, दैट वाज अ कंसोलिडेशन पैटर्न। हमारे पास कंसोलिडेशन पैटर्न था, हम ब्रेकआउट किए हैं, और अब हम हाइज में हैं, और फर्स्ट टाइम the high time frame structure is going to get broken, in my general opinion. In my opinion, if you see, this was the low, this was the high, and this was the low. So probably yeah, so this high is going to be taken, and this is the first interim local high that we are going to put high here. If the price went above, make this, break this high, back in, and this is where the reals, this is the where the bull rally will begin, in my opinion. So I think जब ETH ऊपर जाएगा, ETH ऊपर जाएगा, तो there is a possibility that there is a chances that the price, because उसके बाद when we take this one, this high, once we take this high even, उसके बाद जो drop होगा, that was the point where everybody is going to go crazy. I think ये portion of the rally start हो सकती है. So we have a very strong conviction. So keep an eye, और यही odds को boom देंगे. So I'm all waiting for it, and I'm all waiting for it because, in my opinion, there is a lot to come in the market as long as ETH is responsive and responding, yeah, and breaking the breakers, all of in all. I would like to see some more volume. Volume is dropping, so इस वजह से थोड़ा cautious हूँ. लेकिन I still believe this is enough of a volume to take out this high. और उसके बाद it is the possibility that we may consolidate back in. Like we break the high, we consolidate, and then we break into it. Something like this can happen. Like इस तरह जहाँ हुआ था, there's a probability that we break the high. और जब ये कंसोलिडेशन हो तो पीटीसी रैली लेगा. This is what I think can possible. I don't know. So we have to wait for it. So if we count the wave, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fourth wave, which is sort of in a triangle move. So yeah, और उसके बाद अगर हम इस मूव को देखें तो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ फिफ्थ वेव इज कमिंग. तो फिफ्थ वेव कैन टेक अस टू, in my personal opinion, we can go above as high as 1618. It can go here or even here. Even if it goes to one, this can happen 1 to 1. So it is possible. I don't know how much it traveled. Yeah, this is the typical third wave move. So we have 1, 2, 3, and that's the fourth wave. Now we are building the fifth wave, which can go above, like in these levels, which can go generally in between these levels. So I expect it can come into in this level. Then we have a major correction, 1, 2, 3, and then we go up, because हमारी यहाँ बहुत major correction हुई थी. Yeah, now this is one, two, three, four, and then we have this is third, then we have four, and we have a fifth. So it is possible. So it is possible that if this is one, one, two, three, four. No, this is wait, and look at this. If I count this one, this is one, two, one, two, three. Yeah, that's one, two. Now we are building three. Then we have a four, and then we have a massive fifth, in my opinion, which can take the out these highs or whatever we call it. If this is a cup and handle kind of a pattern, so we can see a massive growth of 300% from here. So it can take to the it can go to these highs. Yeah, something like this we can see. Or if it goes like here, then we have a beautiful structure of five waves. Yeah, we can see that. So that can turn ETH into a monstrous 100% move. So ETH could be $10,000. So keep an eye on it. Assalamu alaikum.